Hey, what's up, everybody? So check this out. We have a snowstorm that's on its way. It's supposed to drop between 6 to 18 inches of snow. I'm hoping that it's on the lower end, but as of right now, the streets are clear. There's a few snow flurries that I saw as I pulled off this morning, but we'll check in later today to see what it's doing. You know, I'm on my way to work. As you can see, I'm decked out. I got a pair of snow boots in my truck. I got a shovel, and I got a snow suit just in case it starts to snow and I get stuck on my way home this evening. But man, I'ma holler at y'all. Hey, check this out, man. I'm heading home, and we got snow. It snowed. It's been snowing all day. The time is now 3:34, and I'm heading home, man. Hopefully, I make it safe. No problem. I'ma holler at y'all. Can't even see up ahead. The snow is coming down, well. It's a snowy day. Go ahead, let me see you. Is this the hill? Oh, this not the hill? So you wanna go?
Yeah.
You can go. Look at Jazzy trying to make it up. You made it.
My bad.
You made it. All right, we coming down? Come on. Where we at? You got it. Are you on?
Yes.
All right. You're not on. You gotta get up there. Come on, Jazzy. Whoa.